Welcome back to our channel app tutorial. This video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can activate a product on Steam. So guys, if you're trying to activate a certain product on Steam, then this video is for you. So in order to activate that, you also need your product code, so make sure you have that. Once you're here, all you need to do is just open your Steam app and make sure you're logged in. As you can see, I've already logged in over here. And if you're using a Mac, just look at the top where you can find options like Steam, Account, View, Friends, and Games. And if you tap here, immediately you can find options like View Games Library, activate a product on Steam. This is what we need. You can also find Redeem, Steam Wallet Code, Manage Gifts, add a non-Steam game. Just go ahead and tap on Activate a Product on Steam. And once you do so, just enter your product code and just tap on Confirm. And in this way, you can successfully activate a product on Steam. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.